What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the messenger notifications not working issue on your Redmi cell phone. So to fix this issue, first of all open and close the messenger app 2 to 3 times, and after that the messenger notifications will start working. But if you are still not receiving the notifications, then open settings, scroll down and tap on sound and vibration, and then scroll down and here tap on do not disturb. So from here check if you have enabled the do not disturb. So when do not disturb is enabled, there will be no reminder for incoming calls and notifications. So to receive the messenger notifications, turn off do not disturb, and after that the notification issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then check if you have enabled the notification for messenger or not. So to check that, open settings, scroll down and here tap on apps. Now tap on manage apps and here look for the messenger app. So from here open the messenger app and then tap on app permissions, and from here tap on notifications. Now from here turn on this show notifications button, and after that the notifications issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after turning on notifications, then the last solution is try updating the messenger app. So to do that, open Play Store. Now go to the search bar and search for messenger app. Now from here, if you have not updated the messenger app to the latest version, then here it will show you the option of update. So tap on update, and after updating the app, the notifications issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the messenger notifications not working issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.